Hey guys, welcome back to Delft Stack, and today I will be showing you how to create account in Brave browser. So guys, in order for you to create an account, first things first, open up your Brave. Now, over here, you can just simply go for the icon over here, your profile icon. And from here, guys, you can just simply go ahead and go for manage profile on the Brave. Now over here, you will have an option to add. Click on it. And from here, right away, you should be able to create your own account into your Brave. So from here, I'm going to go for Delft Stack. And I could select multiple themes based on my preferences. And I could also change the avatar that I want to use. Pretty much this will be depending on you. And select done over here. And from here, guys, everything you do over here will be only saved into your own account and the history and the data. And now when you go to the top right corner, as you can see, you could switch to a different account over here. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.